Greetings to you all. Welcome to Pooja's Learnings. In this video, we are going to learn about various generation of computer. Basically, the term generation refers to the hardware and software over the computer. In this computing world, generation will be categorized into 5 types, such as first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Now, we will discuss about first generation of computer. Between 1945 to 1956, we have the first generation of computer which uses thousands of vacuum tubes. Even as a result, they consume lot of power and generated large amount of heat. Size is also large. Cost is very expensive. It is the fastest calculating device among 5000 addition and 350 multiplication in a fraction of second. Where examples are included in first generation ENIAC, EDIVAC and UNIVAC 1. Then the next part is second generation of computer which is started between 1956 to 1963. In this second generation, transistor will replace the vacuum tubes. This made the computer smaller, faster and cheaper in size. They have more energy efficient with first computer of magnetic core technology used in the second generation of computer. They used machine with assembly language to run the program. For example, IBM 7090, CDC 3600. Next, we'll coming to third generation of computer. This is started between 1964 to 1971 when integrated circuit or IC replaced the transistor. This made computers smaller, faster, even more cheaper than second generation of computer. They were accessed using keyboard, monitor and had an operating system also. That's why they included PDP-11 and IBM 360. The fourth generation of computer started between 1971 to 1980 and it uses microprocessor with VLSI or very large scale integration technology to have thousands of IC or integrated circuit on a single silicon chip. This computer make more reliable and portable. Even they were cheaper and work at high speed. They have lot of more accuracy and reliability with larger in memory. Examples. We'll see today's computer. And now we'll coming to fifth generation or present generation of the computer. It based upon AI or artificial intelligence, quantum computing and nanotechnology. It also more faster, cheaper and most resilient combined with the quantum computing with nanotechnology which is more efficient than previous generation computer. Even it going to intelligent computing where included artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, nuclear science and robot logic also. Okay, here we complete this topic and in the next class we will discuss about types of computer and its features.